Today, we're diving into the world of coffee makers, and let me tell you, it's a wild ride. First up, the Breville Barista Express Impress. This beauty is like having a cafe in your kitchen with a built-in grinder and precise temperature control that gives you cafe-quality espresso. But oh boy, it comes with a hefty price tag of $700 and a learning curve that could rival mastering a new language. Then we have the Technivorm Maca Master, a dream for coffee purists who appreciate simplicity. With its one-button operation and optimal brewing temperature, it's a sturdy choice at around $350, but it lacks a grinder and features. Finally, the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker makes a strong case for budget-friendly versatility at just $150, offering a built-in milk frother and various brewing options. So which one wins? For me, it's the Ninja. What about you? Let us know.